Pharmaceutical pricing in India. The, the context is the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority (NPPA) has used its emergency powers to raise the ceiling prices of 21 essential medicines by almost 50%. These essential medicines include BCG vaccine, anti-malaria drug chloroquine, anti-leprosy drug dapsone, antibiotic metronidazole, and vitamin C, among others. This was done so on account of the growing demand of the pharmaceutical companies to increase the ceiling prices of these essential medicines. They had argued that the cost of the raw materials and the production cost have increased and hence made it economically unsustainable for them to sell the drugs at the lower prices. In this regard, let us understand about the regulation of the drug prices in India. The regulation of the drug prices in India. The Drug Prices Control Orders (DPCO) are issued by the government in the exercise of the powers conferred under the Essential Commodities Act 1955. This enables the government to declare the ceiling prices for the life-saving medicines so as to ensure that these medicines are available at a reasonable prices to the general public. The price controls are applicable to the scheduled drugs or scheduled formulations, that is, those medicines which are listed in the Schedule 1 of DPCO, also referred to as National List of Essential Medicines (NLEM). The National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority (NPPA) fixes the prices of the controlled drugs and formulations and enforces prices and availability of the medicines in the country. It is to be noted that NPPA not only fixes the prices of the essential medicines, but it also ensures that the prices of the non-scheduled drugs do not increase by more than 10% every year. How are the prices of essential medicines fixed? The prices of the medicines are fixed based on the market pricing model. The ceiling price of the essential drugs is the fixed by the calculating simple average price of all the brands having at least 1% of market share. Further, under the paragraph 19 of the DPCO, NPPA has been given the following exceptional powers: fix the prices of those drugs that are not listed under the NLEM. Example: in pursuance of these powers, the NPPA has fixed the ceiling prices of cardiac stents and knee implants. Increase or decrease the prices of the drugs listed under NLEM. Example: as stated before, in the pursuance of these powers, the NPPA has recently increased the prices of the 21 essential medicines by almost 50%.